Today we're in Northeast Portland's desirable Grant Park neighborhood. This tight-knit community is known for its lush streets, grand homes, excellent school district, and walkability to shops and dining in Beaumont Village and Hollywood District. Tucked along the storybook avenues, you'll find this newly remodeled home featuring craftsman details with a spacious modern layout perfect for even the extended family to feel comfortable. Renovated from top to bottom, this showstopper boasts 5 beds, 3.5 baths, and over 4,200 square feet of finished space. Welcome to 2425 Northeast 38th Avenue. You're immediately greeted by a grand full-width porch, welcoming you inside to the bright entry and living room. As you make your way through the main level, you pass a half bath before being wowed by the spectacular great room. Quartz countertops, stainless steel gas appliances for the master chef, a walk-in pantry, and a built-in desk are just a few details that make this home breathtaking. Modern finishes like contemporary light fixtures, gleaming hardwood floors, and luxe black window frames feel straight off the pages of Architectural Digest. Outdoor entertaining is a breeze, with slider access to the back deck and yard. You will encounter multiple settings to host year-round gatherings, from the wraparound deck to the gazebo and various paver patios. Thoughtful details and designer finishes continue as you pass through the home's upper levels, where you'll find 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a laundry room, and a 3rd-level loft. A true standout is the spacious primary bedroom with an oversized walk-in closet and a spa-worthy ensuite with double vanity, a soaking tub, and a glass-enclosed tiled shower. The expansive 3rd-level loft is adorned with skylights and is the perfect flex space for a growing family. Whether you need another entertainment room, a yoga studio, extra storage, or all of the above, the possibilities are endless. Heading downstairs, you'll find an open family room with a bar that could easily be converted to a full kitchenette. In addition, there's a 5th bedroom and a 3rd full bath, and a mud room with an exterior entrance that's prepped for washer and dryer. Providing exceptional flexibility for the modern family, this space could easily be used for additional income or a mother-in-law suite. A grand remodel done right, this home has it all. No expense was spared on the details with cloud soft carpet, top-of-the-line appliances, and exquisite stone and tile work. Going green? There's even an RV plug that can support an electric car charging station in the oversized driveway. Come see it for yourself before it's gone.